Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change line spacing in Gmail. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in with your account. Click on the Compose button to start writing a new Gmail message. Type your message in the email area, and as you can see, I have already written a short email for the sake of the video. Next, highlight the text that you want to format, and at the bottom of the Compose window, click on the formatting options. From here, you can customize different types of options, such as fonts, and you can also make the text bold, italic, or underlined. You can even choose the text color and just click on Align. Then you can select any of the available options to align it as per your needs. You can repeat this process for other parts of your email as needed before sending. And that's it. We just learned how to adjust line spacing in Gmail using the formatting options while composing an email. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.